Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the M9 Plus Android TV box. Okay, let's get it off its packaging. As you can see, this is the M9 Plus. Flip on its side, it says 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of memory, and it can scale video up to 4K. Let's get it off the packaging. Let's turn around and see what's outside. Nothing on the sides except same thing, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of memory. Let's open it up. As you can see, the M9 Plus. Let's set this aside. And underneath, we can see a few things that come with it. A charger. This is the UK version. And the small pinhead adapter. Next we have HDMI cables. It's very nice of them to give it so that we don't have to buy another pair. Next we have the remote. Pair of batteries, AAA. And lastly the user manual. Okay, let's bring back the Android box. Okay, let's take it out of its packaging. As you can see, this is the M9 Plus, the upgraded version of the M8. On the back we see a few ports to input and output stuff. On the sides you see 3 USB, a micro SD card slot. Okay, and at the bottom we see a ventilation port. Sides and the front we see an LCD screen. Alright, the M9 Plus. Thanks for watching.